So here is the case. Let's see, they want me to pay the return fee. Here are the rules. Personal reasons such as no longer needed. According to Aliexpress guidelines, the return shipping is charged to the shopper based on the following. If the return is personal reason, if the shopper is not provided enough relevant supporting information. Okay, and I was not able to upload MP4 video. The server is down, the Aliexpress server, and now they want me to pay the fee. So, this is what I see always. I am not able to upload images up to 20 megabyte and videos not exceeding 500. 89 megabyte. 89 megabyte MP4. They don't want to pay the return fee. I was already talking to the customer service and they told me they give the case higher and they are writing the same thing. They want me to pay. They don't ask to upload the video, so that's why I made this YouTube video.